Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a different kind of unboxing here. Well, I say that all the time. It's bags. So yeah, no, it's not different. It's still a bag. But I think one of them I might return. So I bought two bags and let's quickly open it up. And it's funny because I was, I allowed FOMO to get to me. And funny, I didn't sort of study the photos as closely as I normally would. So then after I've done the payment on PayPal, and then I saw the thing that would have made me not buy the bag in the first place, but we'll see. We shall see. And then you guys can tell me if I should return it, because the return period is quite generous, although it's overseas. Oh my gosh, I can see the box already. It's so pretty. I should like get a pen knife or something. Hang on. Let me undo the masking tape and then we can see. Wow, okay. See this? So it's called Tang Heritage. It's actually a brand from Singapore. And some of you who have followed me for some time, oh, I need to undo this box. You know that I grew up in Malaysia. Okay, wait, I'll be back. Can we just appreciate the beautiful box? I think one of my subscribers, also now like my friend, I consider you a friend, Corinne from Joy Love Sea. She resides in Singapore. We've tried to meet up, like, because sometimes in my travels I would stop by Changi Airport or Singapore, but it hasn't worked out that we could meet. But anyway, so this bag is from basically in Singapore. There is a shopping center or big shopping mall called Tang Heritage. So it started in 1826. See here, oh my goodness, the box is so pretty. Like, I love all these like Chinese motifs. A bit of history about CK Tang. Tang, that's why his name is CK, is because anglicized is called Tan Chun Keng, so the C and the K. So he was from Shantou in China. So yeah, so when a lot of Chinese people who came to Southeast Asia are actually from China. So there's a long history about that, sort of prior to World War II and so on. But anyway, so he started this department store, which sells a lot of things on, and this department store is in Orchard Road. If we know Orchard Road, when I was growing up, Orchard Road in Singapore is like all the fancy shops are. So anyway, so he sells like clothes, bags, like really beautiful things, and things that I remember as a kid thinking, wow, they were expensive, but they were beautiful. Anyway, so they have bags that were made by this lady. The Tang Heritage bag collection, there is a set of bags that were made by an artisan, a lady artisan called Hua Ziyan. So she is master embroiderer, but she is apparently retiring. So I think they're like making this her like last endeavor for CK Tang. So I was like swept up in all of that. Basically, the moral of the story is I got swept up, and therefore but then what happened? Okay, let's just open the bag. Okay, open the box. Let's just open the box. I'm like flashing it around. Wow. So yes, I did buy two bags. One of them is from a, oh look, I even got like a, oh no, I got distracted. One of them is not made by Hua Ziyan. It's by a different lady, which is also embroidered. And that one I really like. I can see it here. But let's open up the one made by made by Hua Ziyan first. Oh look, there's like, oh my god, now I feel sucked in. that I want to keep it already. Maybe it won't be so obvious. You guys can tell me. So I know it will come with a red authenticity card. It's like metal. Wow, brass. I feel like one of those rich people with those black, you know, credit cards and like a little tag. Okay, let's put that aside. Oh my god, the bag is, the box is pretty. And I also have here, thank you for your purchase. At Tang Heritage, we carry the legacy forward with a curated selection of handcrafted ceramics, intricate jewelry, and luxurious textiles. Tang Heritage is a celebration of refined craftsmanship passed down through generations. As a token of our gratitude, enjoy 10% off your next purchase with the code Heritage10. We look forward to crafting even more meaningful experiences with you. Okay, let's just, it's red. My god, it's beautiful, right? It's got gold embroidery, and you know, I love gold and red mix. It's not a huge bag. Oh my god. And you know what what made me like, oh no, I don't, is the initials of the C and the K. In the photo, it looks very, very obvious. So I'm not sure. I think from a distance, it's not very obvious. Okay. Let me smell the leather. Nice. Oh my goodness. It's pebbled. So yeah, pebbled leather. It's got gold feet. Oh no. I won't undo all this just in case I change my mind and I want to return it. But I will undo this so that we can open and see what the bag looks like on the inside. I do like that. This is like a good drop for top handle. I know from the photo, oh, it opens nice and like separated so that you can look at this beautiful clasp, so that you can easily open the flap, right? Wow, the gold intricacy. So this is apparently supposed to be like all hand embroidered. I'm not sure if it's hand embroidered by Hua Ziyan herself, or maybe, you know, she supervised workers to do it, but let's just, wow, my god, it's actually real bougie. I wish this part of the embroidery is not covered, but oh my goodness, right? How beautiful. Okay, the C and the K is not very obvious. Even like on camera like that, I can kind of just about see it. It's just, you know what, the CK reminds me of Calvin Klein, and I don't know, I feel like so weird about it, but anyway. So there's a zip. Ooh, nice zipper sound. That means good quality zip. So a long crossbody strap. Let's take the stuffing out. I have no more bag space. I don't know why I cannot stop buying bags, so therefore I don't know. Beautiful lined interior with fabric. It's like thick lining, which is like in the chevron sort of shape, although the side looks to me to be like beige leather or taupe color leather. Okay, interesting. Slip pocket and one zipper pocket at the back here. Let's open the zip pocket. Oh, nice zipper sound. And bags, it can stand up on its own. Oh wow. Should I return it? Yes, no, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to, okay, where do I, all right, so this is where I would attach the long strap, but I won't undo it just yet because, oh, okay, no, this is fine, because a lot of the straps that come with bags are like, you know, sometimes they're wrapped. So this isn't, this is just in a plastic. So, okay, nice and not loose, which is good. Okay, so all right, we could try it later, but let's just be done with the unboxing. The second bag. Here we are. Okay, So this one, okay, so while this is called the Tang Red Bags, the Tang Designer Red Bags, because it's red, but it comes in other colors. It comes in tan as well. And this one is called the Tang Bloom Collection. Okay, and it is designed by a lady that is called Artisan Yue. So we'll see. She looks beautiful in the photo. If you go to the Tang Heritage website, you can read all about these special artisans. And this one I really will keep. I do want a bag like that. Wow! And this is hand embroidered as well. I don't know if it's hand embroidered. I think it's probably machine embroidered, but it's embroidery. Peony. Very pretty. Wow, so nice. And it's got a little tassel. Oh, oops, the plastic covering came off. And it comes a lot of the shapes. So there's like persimmons embroidery, different floral embroidery, lily flowers, but I think this one I really like because of the white leather background with the embroidery on it. Oh, it is leather. Wow. And it's got 4 feet. At first I thought it was fabric. Okay, so yeah, really nice. How do I open this clasp? Okay, just open it here. Oh no, it's got an internal divider. You know how I feel about that. I don't like internal dividers. Okay. Maybe I'll end up returning both of them, which is a shame. Okay, so like a metal strap as well that can, I guess, because you can undo this and I can put the metal straps on here. Right. Okay. Packaging. It's dark black lining. Oh wow! Right. I think the Tang, this red bag, the zipper is better quality. Oh, you know how I feel about, but it's sewn. I could like just, yeah, the lining, not the best quality fabric, unfortunately. Yeah, it's, I don't know why they do that. Like a interior, zip pocket, a middle divider, but then it's not sewed to the bottom. But in a way that's good because I've in the past just maybe cut it off and then just cut off like, yeah, the divider. Oh, I don't know. I don't like bags. I try not to. Oh, I don't know. It's cheap and it's sort of like dark black fabric. Oh, what a shame, because this itself is beautiful. But I don't know. Maybe I'll have to, maybe in the end I'll return this and keep this. I'm not sure. I'm running out of bag space. So let's try them on, and I'm not going to undo the packaging, okay, around the straps. Okay, so let's all right, let's, I think, okay, no, I can't put it on my shoulders. What do you think? Can't see the CK? I guess we can't. I'm looking at myself in the mirror from a distance. Do you know what? I kind of like this one more than that now. Oh, what a shame. So I guess I'll end up keeping one of them. But red and gold, it's just beautiful. But then the CK, I don't know. Tell me what you think. What do you think, guys? Do I or do I not return it? And maybe Corinne, you can tell me. This is cute though. I just wish the interior isn't black. And it's just a bit, just feel like it's cheaply lined. I am going to China very soon again, so I could buy like better quality bags there. Oh yeah, this is what FOMO does to you. You end up buying bags that like haven't really thought about, and then you might want to return. But the bag one looks awesome, right? What? Oh my gosh, which one? this one. I wish the CK is not so obvious. Well, just the 2 bags that I recently bought. And first impressions. This is lovely. I have to say, this is lovely. But it's kind of weird. It's KC. I don't know. Why is it like on like, yeah. So I don't know. I'm going to have to think about this. They have a very generous return policy. So I'm going to, yeah, it's like 365-day return. That's like a year. I don't understand how it works. But I think I might, yeah, might think about returning it. And I don't know. Yes, well, oh look, it's kind of already dented. Can you see that here? The white bag? Yeah, white's gonna get dirty, isn't it? But I do like white and gold bags. Not sure. Well, anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. Do you think I should return it? Yes, no. I think I'm like erring towards returning it. Yeah, because there's something else I kind of want to review for you guys by the end of this month. So I haven't bought it yet. I wanted to wait for this to arrive and then maybe return it and then have funds to buy the other one. Okay, well, let me know. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.